Hello, what's up everybody? This is bboytech back with another one of the videos of Money Mondays. Today is episode number 8 of the Money Mondays series. Still season 1. Today we have the types of rewards part 4. Last time we had the part 3. Going to go back to watch that whole little it's kind of like our little mini series within this whole series. Again, later on I will be talking about what I think the future of phone farming will look like, and I would also like to get a couple YouTubers on to this in another season dedicated to different YouTubers and asking them questions about phone farming and what they think and stuff like that. So stay tuned for those those parts of this series. So again, over on this side here, I'm getting better at pointing over there. We have all the topics that we're going to talk about today. It's it's going to depend on how long I make it, but could be less time than usual, could be more time than usual. Not for sure how long it will take this time. So, the first one we're going to talk about is a pay to play. Literally, I have one open right here. And what basically that means is you're getting paid to play a game. So you get to watch advertisements and stuff like that to get other things as well too. And usually there's some type of in-game points that will be converted over to money. If we go and open up the app here, we go in here, and we go here. So some games do it different ways for the amount of points. This one was in the App Store and was in the Google Play Store, but right now I can't find it anymore. So I'm still trying it out to make sure that they do pay and stuff like that. I did send them an email, so I don't know if they replied back yet. I literally opened up my email to see if I see anything from them, and I don't know if I do. I sent it to them on Friday? No, Saturday. I don't remember. Was it this one? Nope, wasn't that inbox. Yeah, I sent it to them on Friday. Well, anyways, it's an app that you literally get paid to play. Of course, there's advertisements on there because, of course, these companies need to make money as well, too. It's not just them giving you money. No. You got to do something always for them to make money. That way, you make money as well, too. So, again, there's different versions of pay to play, but all of them are going to be in the category of non-passive applications. So, non-passive meaning that you had to actually do the work, just like this one here. You gotta go in and play the game to get money. And then we're gonna go and talk about the paid to mission. Of course, that would mean that you're getting paid to do things, usually going out to different stores, taking pictures of stuff. You're getting paid to basically look at different things. So it could be look at the different prices for different items, look at this, go take pictures of any of the help wanted signs or stuff like that in different places. And that way it helps someone to then go further and they make money, or it's going to be different ways like that. Of course, that's going to be a non-passive because you're going to be going out. You got to, you could, if you live in an area with the bus system, you may have to ride the bus a lot, or, stuff like that. So, paid to search, of course, would be, your usually it's its own type of browser. Swagbucks has one built in. And I believe there's a couple other, but you're getting paid to search different terms. Inbox Dollars, I know, used to have one. I think InstaGC does as well too. But again, that's going to be non-passive as well too. Paid to browse is going to be stuff that's like the browsers. So like the one that I talked about, Cocoon. You're getting paid to use it, and they're selling the data of what you've looked up. So again, it's a lot different than something like Honeygain. Honeygain is going to be kind of down at the bottom there. You can see it there. But again, Cocoon and stuff like Honeygain are two different things. Paid to click, I wanted to go and include this in there as well too. You're getting paid to click on stuff. So, you're usually have to stay on a website for X amount of time and stuff like that. Again, going to be non-passive. Paid to browse, I'm going to jump back into there. Could be semi-passive because some websites do things automatically and take you to other parts of their web page. So something like YouTube might work on there as well too, or stuff like Netflix. There might be Chrome extensions that you can add to the same thing. And then paid to share is going to be any application that pays you to share them or stuff like that. Usually I haven't found any of them that do pay for that category, but I'm sure there's some out there where you're getting paid to share things on social media, stuff like that. Paid to sell internet or CPU. I wanted to include that on there, but I wanted to include it separately. So there's ones that, of course, pay to you to use the phone's processor, like phone paycheck. That was one. I used to use that before. Something happened with my account. I don't know why they got rid of it, but hey, that is on them. But you're getting paid to rent out your phone's CPU's power or your computer. So again, I wanted to include that on there a little bit separate than something like cryptocurrency, because usually they might not have cryptocurrency. Usually they pay you in PayPal or something like that, but they're paying you for different services or offering your phone as a computer processing unit for something. So like help with a server or something like that. Kind of what phone paycheck did. Paid to sell internet, I want to touch kind of back into that one because we skipped over that and talked about the CPU side. Paid to sell internet is going to be your so it's going to be like your Honeygain. They're paying you to sell your internet data usage, unused data. Definitely don't suggest it if you do anything else that revolves around phone farming, because a lot of them can see it as a VPN. So, or if you have multiple phone data plans and you just run it on those, or something like that, and you do something else as well too, like that SMS stuff and stuff like that on those phones. That's where that might come in handy. And then we're going to touch the topics of Jack of all trades, which is going to include multiple of the ones that we talked about in the past other episodes, and include them all into one thing. So stuff like InstaGC, GG2U, Swagbucks, Inbox Dollars, and some of the other ones. They usually combine multiple ones, and you might see them expand. Like, I've seen Swagbucks made a pay-to-play game, and then they got rid of it after a while. So some companies can go from having a lot of them to not having a lot of them to adding more in the future. So Jack of all trades is going to be anyone that has multiple ones. I'm not saying that they're going to have all of them, no. But they're they have multiple ways for you to earn instead of just one way. Alright, well, I didn't say this earlier in this video, but if you guys enjoyed this video, go ahead and give it a like. The other button works too, if you want to go ahead and test that one out, but who does usually? But then also too, go ahead and leave a comment down below as well. And I would like to say, I hope everyone's staying safe out there. Stay safe, and thank you guys for watching, and peace out.